Zenfone Max Pro M1 and Realme C1 are two good smartphones to buy under 8,000 rupees. While the two phones are very different in shape and size, and the design is also well apart, the camera hardware on the two phones is very similar. They both have a 13 megapixel camera acting as a primary sensor. While the secondary sensor on the Realme C1 is theoretically better in terms of resolution with an 8 megapixel sensor, we'll have to see if that really affects in real life. So let's just compare the two phones' cameras in this video. It is pretty evident from the first photo itself that the Realme C1 takes brighter shots. The object in information board is more evident and the text is more readable. Zenfone photo is dull and has more noise. In fact, if you zoom in, you will see Zenfone photo is not very sharp. Both phones have similar resolution on primary sensor, but the aperture on the Realme C1 is wider at f2.0, and this is clearly visible. I mean, Realme C1 clicks way brighter shots. If you compare the overall image in this case, Zenfone photo is equally sharp but is not as vibrant. In outdoor light, Realme captures better dynamic range as well. Background light doesn't affect the visibility of the building and the colors appear sharp. Notice the highlights are blown out on the Zenfone photo, which clearly shows it cannot handle wide range of light and shadows in a single frame. While capturing macro shots, Realme does a better job again. Though the focus is more accurately captured by Zenfone, Realme shot closely captures the color of the flower and the overall photo is brighter, sharper and more crisp. Moving on to low light photos, Zenfone continues to be dull and lacking in detail. Colors are slightly more accurate, but that doesn't help make the photo look better. A wider aperture and a faster shutter both help Realme capture better shots in low light. Like in this photo, the Zenfone shot looks blurred out and is more bluish in tone. In comparison, both phones have substantial low light noise and it's only more evident on the Zenfone. But artificial light handling is better on Realme C1, though the colors are not very accurate again and are slightly washed out in comparison to the Zenfone Max M1. But still, Realme C1 captures better dynamic range. I mean, Zenfone Max M1 has blown out highlights and dull shadows, while it's a bit controlled on the Realme phone. This is another photo that shows light bleed and narrow dynamic range on Zenfone Max M1. Realme phone is clearly way ahead in how the two phones handle artificial light or even natural light and how they preserve the highlight and shadow areas. Details captured in low light are far better on Realme C1 again. The object outlines are sharper and noise is greatly controlled. Not only does the Zenfone photo have loss of details, but some areas also are off focus. Talking about the selfie camera, you clearly require a steady hand to capture a blur-free shot on the Zenfone Max M1. Even in this good light situation, the selfie has come out to be slightly blurred compared to that on the Realme C1 that is super sharp. Although Realme doesn't really capture accurate skin tones and has made a slightly beautified selfie. But capturing accurate colors is not really much of use in low light situations when the object itself is not really very visible. Realme C1 captures a brighter selfie and the face clearly is more visible, but again it has its own problems. Yes, the face is visible and the frame has more light overall, but the skin color is a little shifted. The face is slightly brightened and the highlights are blown out. So this was our camera comparison of the Realme C1 versus the Zenfone Max M1. Both phones are priced under 8,000 rupees. Do let us know what you think about the two phones in the comment section below and which one you like. Also, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.